you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. I have my Confetti Collection box here. This is for the month of October and November. It's a bi-monthly subscription, so this is my 2-month box. I'm so incredibly excited to show you what's in here. Actually, I'm like ridiculously excited to figure out what is in here. So the theme this month for Confetti Collection is treasure hunt, and what's really cool is that they have 2 box variations, so you don't know what box you're gonna get. So I wonder which variation I have. I don't know what the other variation is, but I'm so excited. You guys don't even know. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Confetti Collection box, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and let's go ahead and see what I got. So Confetti Collection actually emailed me and wanted to send me another box because they sent me the first one, and I was like, yes girl, please do. I really loved the last box that I got, so I was like, send away. I cannot wait. So I have a code down below if you want to sign up and get this box. It's an affiliate code. I receive like a very small amount of money, like, you know, laundry change kind of money, but that's still kind of cool that I have like an affiliate code. It's my first affiliate code, so if you guys want to subscribe, you can subscribe. This box is $19.99 every 2 months. You do have to pay for shipping, so I think it's $25 or $26 a month, but the products in here are so freaking cool. It's not like any other subscription. This is a novelty, giftable, and stationery box. So if you guys are into office stuff or kind of giftables and stuff like that, then you guys will love this. I am a stationery whore, so of course I love it. Like, there's this stapler at Target. I think it's a Bulldog or something, and no, it's a tape thing. It's one of those tape dispensers that you would have on a desk, and it's gold, and you pull the tape and like rip it off its butt. I want that one so bad. It's so cute. It's been there for years and I've just never picked it up. But yeah, stationery stuff is so freaking cool. But anyways, let's go ahead and open the box because I've been talking for way too long. I'll also put a timestamp down below if you don't want to hear me talk, so you can just skip right onto the unboxing. So look down below if you want that in the future for like long rambling videos. So I'm so excited for the treasure hunt box. I couldn't even begin to tell you what I think is inside here. Like, it's just, I don't know. Okay. See, I see they changed their box. It's not as big as the one that they were giving out. So let's just open it up and see. Look how pretty this packaging is. And if you just wanted to get this as like a gift for like your son or daughter, or like your mom or your grandma, or like a coworker or anything like that, even a student, like in college or even high school, I think they would really enjoy getting this. Plus you can use this for your studies and whatnot because they have things in there that are also towards like, you know, like studying. Not really. They have like to-do lists and like little notebooks. So kind of like studying. I don't know. Okay, let's open it up. I kind of feel bad because the sticker's so cute with the little like confetti. They look like sprinkles. Okay. So, surprise. Treasure hunt box. Who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you, so start hunting through this box to see what they are. Ooh, okay. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Okay. So of course with like every box, they send you like string for gifts. So if you wanted to gift any of these items, you have this. I know you can get these for like 99 cents at the store, but what if you needed a gift right then and there and didn't have time to go to the store? You have this at home, just shove it in a drawer until you need it, and you have it made. And made in the shade. Is that the saying? It's made in the shade. I don't know. And then they also come with a little bow to go with your little gift, if you want a gift. But these are always so good to have as backups. Like I said, if you don't have time to go to the store and you need a quick bow for a gift, or you go to the store and you realize, oh, I forgot something, you got it. Oh my god. Okay, here's a little trinket bowl. It says everything in its place. That is so pretty. It's a navy blue and the bottom of it is gold. It's from C.R. Gibson. Oh, this is so cute. You can put your rings and necklaces on there. I think that is so pretty. And just the fact that it says everything in its place, because obviously this is going to be the place for like a ring. I do actually have a ring, but I don't ever wear it because I have like weird things going on. So my fingers swell, so I can't wear it. So I can put my ring on this cute little trinket tray. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. Ooh, and we got a big pack of napkins. These are so cute. These are from C.R. Gibson as well. And what I like about these is there's always kind of like a cute pattern to them. So if you guys ever have a friend come over and you guys are drinking coffee in the morning or tea, or they're just coming over for a while, you can give them a cute little napkin to use so you seem a little bit more like put together and like a hostess with the mostest instead of like a regular towel from like, you know, Bounty or something. These are just way more cuter. And this is actually a really thick pack. The thickest one I think this is thicker than the one I got last time. So I think the hearts are so cute. And if you got this box and you wanted to save these for like say Valentine's Day, you could. These are just so pretty. I do buy napkins like this, like holiday themed, and I save them for the next year. So I'm into like themed napkins. I think napkins are really fun. I think they're more fun when you actually own your own house and you have friends over. You just kind of want to, you know, seem just pizzazzy. You know what I mean? Pizzazzy. This box can make you seem pizzazzy. Oh, okay. This is so cute. Okay, this is also from C.R. Gibson, and this is a bottle opener. Oh my god. So again, if you like have friends over like for a wine party or something, you can get out napkins for wine in case you like dribble or something if you've drank too much. And then you can open up your, wait, you can't open wine with this. Okay, well if you open up a beer or something, or a wine cooler, you have a bottle opener. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, hold on, I need to get this out because I want to see it. Hold on. Oh my goodness, and it's so cute because of the tassels. This is like what you see on cute like designer purses. You see these tassels. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. This is so cute. I love this. And it's rose gold on the top, so I think my boyfriend will use this more than me because I don't ever really need to open up anything. So now my boyfriend can have something super cute and girly to open up his beers with. So I'm so excited. Or you can gift this and you can put a bow on it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, this is a sleeping mask. This is also from C.R. Gibson, and it says, "Wake me up when the booze cart comes around." That is hilarious. It's like a burgundy color, and I have been wearing these every single night since I was like 16 years old. I have to. I cannot with any light. I sleep with a mask, and I sleep with earphones. What are those called? Earplugs every single night, and the fan on high. You can ask my boyfriend. Sometimes if I ever like it slips off my face while I'm sleeping, he'll like put it back over my eyes in the morning before I wake up. He's so sweet. But I'm so excited for this. The last one that I got, I think, was from Walmart. So I'm pretty excited to have a cute one. Mine's purple now, and it's actually really gross because it's like stained with mascara from the nights that I'm like not wanting to, you know, take my makeup off. So now I have a new mask. Oh, and it's gold on the inside. This is so cute. Oh, and it's tight. My other one isn't tight anymore. Oh, I'm so freaking excited to... I'm so excited to go to sleep now. And again, if you aren't into like this, you can always gift it to someone for like their birthday, or add it to like a gift basket that you're gonna give someone. So this is pretty freaking cool. I like this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is also from C.R. Gibson. What is this? It says notes, and it's this really pretty floral, and there's like a peachy color here on the side. Oh, it's memo paper, and it's like an off-white. Oh, this is so pretty. There's 200 sheets in here. Oh, this is so cute. And it's like a hard cardboard, so like once you're done with your notes in here, you can use this box for anything else. I can't get them out right now, but I know this can come out. And yeah, you can put your shopping list on here. If somebody calls you and you have to take a message, you can just, yeah, this is so cute. Oh, this is funny. It says C.R. Gibson, and it says the address 402 B&A Drive, Nashville, Tennessee. So I guess that's by the airport, because I live in Nashville. So wow, okay, this is coming from there. I wonder if they all are coming from Nashville. No, that's from Pennsylvania. Okay, so this one came from Nashville, so that's pretty cool. It came from my place of residence. Oh my god, stop it. Stop it right now. Oh, I get it. Look at this wine bag, and it has a flipping flamingo on it. Oh my goodness. Okay, yes, the theme of this bag is definitely booze, okay? Wake me up when the booze cart arrives. Okay, so are we seeing the theme here? This is so cute. Okay, yeah, you can gift some freaking wine to somebody and give it to them in the freaking cutest bag on this mother effing earth. Is it bad that I don't want to gift anyone any wine because I just want to like hang the bag up on my wall because it's that cute? My shower curtain is flamingo, okay? So I love this. And when I go to the zoo, the flamingos are my second favorite. Meerkats are number one at the zoo, but the flamingos are my second favorite. I love this bag. Oh my god. I have to gift somebody something because you can put this on the bag, wrap it inside, and give them something from this box, because you can gift people what you find in this box, just so you know. Okay, so we have the last item in this box, and look at all of this like confetti in here. What is really good also is that you can save this like confetti for Easter. If you have kids, because I have a son, so I could keep this for Easter baskets, and if I'm gifting someone an Easter basket, or I can ship something and use this so I don't have to go out and buy more shipping material. I can ship some, what does Graveyard Girl call these? Worms. So I actually save this, and I save the bubble wrap, so when I do giveaways, I don't also have to buy bubble wrap. So the last thing in the box are some file folders, and I've already used the file folders that I got in my last box. These are freaking adorable. Okay, so of course everyone needs file folders. At least if you're an adult, you need file folders to file your tax information, your mortgage, your home insurance stuff. And that's what I used the last ones for. So it comes with these little stickers so you can write down what you need to write down and put them on there. And here's the folders. The first one says files, and it has this like cute striped pattern. And this is pink, and it's pink on the inside, which you don't even have to put this in an actual file cabinet. You can just use these like this and just open them when you need to. And they have different designs. So there's 3 of these. And then this one has a parrot on it, and it says notes. That's freaking adorable, and this pretty teal inside. And then the last one says lists, And it also has, what are these, toucans? No, toucans are like a different color. It's a bird. And this is so cute. And it has this bright green on the inside. So I'm so excited to use these because, oh, the back has a bird butt. A bird butt and a flower. Okay, this one is the only one that has the bird butt and the flower. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. The whole bird and not just the butt. I love this. I can't wait to start putting more of my adult things in here. So, that's really fun. I don't know. This box is so enjoyable. I really like it. Like I said, it's a good box to get if you want to get something to gift, because it's a stationary, novelty, and giftable box. It's bi-monthly. It's not every single month that you'll pay the $19.99. It's every 2 months, and they just started out this year, and I think they're a pretty freaking cool company. And I don't know, I think that it's just incredible. I don't even know how to like put my words together of how cool of like this box is. It's just so different from what I'm used to. Like I'm used to makeup subscription boxes, but I don't know, I love this. So let's review really quick. File folders, the face mask, the cute 200 note box, the making a gift thing, bow and string, the bottle opener, these things to go with the file folders, the cute flamingo bag so you can gift some wine, the napkins for, you know, spills. Oh, speaking of spills, and then the little cute trinket tray. Ah, I'm so excited. This is actually so exciting. When I thought treasure hunt, I was thinking of like pirates, but I like this treasure hunt. I like the theme that we're going and finding the goodies that we're getting in our box, and I really enjoyed it. I'm so excited to use these things, and thank you so much, Confetti Collection, for sending this box to me. You guys are so cool, and I really enjoyed it, and I cannot wait for the future. So yeah, if you guys want to sign up, there's a link down below. It's my affiliate link, and yeah, if you guys want to sign up, just click the link below. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And that's it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!